What's happening, guys? I hope you are all well. Welcome to another video. In this video, we will be explaining to you guys how to effectively take a signal. Okay, a signal like this, which is highlighted on the screen, is usually sent out in our trading channel. Now, where a entry position is given, the direction that we are looking to invest in is given with the parameters such as take profits, as you can see here, and stop loss is given. Now, every trade has a direction that we are looking to go in. Now, in this trade, we're looking to sell. And in this trade, this was a news trade, which was high risks. So in the channel, everyone was notified that follow risk management. These are the parameters that we are looking for. Now, I want to quickly take you guys to MetaTrader 5, which I use. You can be using MetaTrader 4 or 5. The rules apply same to both of them. It's just difference of some features. Now, I'm going to go to this is the chart. So the signal is me looking for a sell. I took this trade already. This was a news trade. As you guys can see, the spike down. We caught that entire move right here, which was a 100 pip drop. But I'm going to show you guys here. I'm not going to take this trade, but this video will explain to you how to effectively take a signal. Now, all I want to do is when I'm on the chart. So first of all, I want to go to quotes. Then I want to select the pair. Now, in this occasion, it's XAU gold. This was sent in the morning. I sent out this morning that firstly I was looking for a buy. Then, of course, the bias changed. The market changed the direction. So I was like, okay, now we are looking for a sell for gold. So now at this position, what I will do is I'll go to quotes section. Then XAU right at the bottom. I'll click on that. And then I'll click on chart. Or I can just simply click on trade. So let's just click on trade as we are going to show you guys how to do it. Now, these are the 4 to 5 different types of trades that you can take. I always take market execution. Because I know markets can easily touch a zone. I'm a zone to zone trader, so markets can easily touch a zone and either turn around from there or just fake out. So I always like to do market execution, but in some rare occasions I do utilize buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, which I will be explaining in a different video what that is and how to use it. Now, in this occasion, you put your lot size here. You can put 0.20, which means you are investing $2 per pip. If you're doing 0.1, which is $1 per pip. If you're doing 1.00, that's $10 per pip. This is the sort of investment that you're doing. And then you put the stop loss, which is written in the message here, explaining, as you guys can see, stop loss SL. Stop loss is always referred as SL2. So sometimes you'll see stop loss, sometimes you'll see SL. So all we do is at the last point where we see stop loss SL 2620, we simply go here, we put that 2620 here. Then let's say take profit TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. There's 4 take profits given. So these are the 4 positions that the market can potentially touch. So if you want to just stick to the first one, you can. Let's just do that here for now. So 2611 is where I will see as a potential TP that I want to put in. Now, in the trade that I just took, my TP I secured at 2604, which was right below TP2 and in between TP2 and TP3. You can always manually secure your profits too, or you can just leave the trade the way you want it to leave. Now, in this occasion, I put that here, and then all I want to do is, as you can see at the bottom, there's sell by market or buy by market. Because the stop loss is 20, we can't see those numbers or the options being visible because the market is below the stop loss position. So I can't put that number in the market right now. But what I would do is I would put the lot size here, let's say 20, and then put the stop loss, which we already put in, and then the take profit. And then all we've got to do is on the left side, as you can see on the red section, sell by market. We click on that and then we are officially in a trade. That's how you can effectively simply take a signal by simply copying that and pasting that into your MetaTrader. And then all you do is go on to the history section, and then you'll see you have secured your profits there. And then that is it. That's how simple and easy it is subscribe to this channel to make sure that you do not miss out any other videos. A lot of informative videos will be coming out, so subscribe and make sure that you hit the bell icon so that if anything news come out, you'll get the notification straight away. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.